Happy Halloween, everyone! Profane here. Welcome to the video. Today I'm showing you how to give your car a really cool and creepy blood splatter look for Halloween, or really any time for that matter. And don't worry, what we'll be doing today is completely removable and non-harmful to your car, but will make for one hell of a display as you drive down the streets. Before we get started, if you enjoy the video, I'd love for you to hit that like button below, along with the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Both are greatly appreciated. Now, to create this blood splatter effect, what you will need is at least 2 or more cans of Plasti-Dip. Now, this is a latex spray sold in a variety of colors and sells for around $5 to $6 a can. I picked up mine at the local Lowe's. You'll definitely want to wear gloves as well, and you will also want something to augment and redirect the spray to create blood drops and other effects with the latex. Now, I went simple and just tore off a piece of cardboard here so I could dispose of it afterwards. If you have anything niftier or specific to art, by all means definitely use it. What I really love about this is that even if you're someone like me who doesn't have a high skill level in art or painting, you can still pull off some amazing blood splatter effects in really simple ways. And once you get started, you'll feel like you're making some graffiti masterpiece. Well, maybe not masterpiece, but still something quite badass and perfect for the Halloween season. Now, this is a chance for you to open up your creativity and have fun, because when it comes to blood splatter, you really just can't go wrong. And the cardboard tool will allow you to create some really cool streak patterns and blood drips. I do suggest to overall cover your car a couple of times with the spray. Go over everything you do a couple of different times. That way you get the red to really shine, and that way you can get everything properly applied and to where it stays and looks awesome. And when you're ready to get rid of the blood splatter design, all you're going to need to do is get a bottle of Goo Gone, which sells for about $5 at Lowe's. Combine this with some hot water and a rag and adequate elbow grease, and you can return your car back to normal. Now, obviously, the more thorough and detailed that you are in your blood splatter effects, the longer it's going to take you to get those off. This year, I really wanted to do something outside of the norm with Halloween, and with so many people still deeply impacted by the aftermath of COVID, I wanted to do something to bring the Halloween spirit wherever I go, and I think this has really done it, and it's an absolutely perfect idea if you're wanting to share that festiveness of Halloween as well. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to help support the channel by hitting the like button below, along with the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Both are greatly appreciated, and until next time everybody, this has been Profane, wishing you happy Halloween.